According to Digital Chat Station on Weibo, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC should be introduced before November of this year. That simply means 8 Gen 2 processor isn't gonna be that old at that time. That also simply means that there is not gonna be any Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 as we were hoping for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. And that all means that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 might miss out on the performance improvement in the form of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 or the possible one. Now, this could also be very well linked to another leak that is saying the Snapdragon chips are gonna have some confusing naming schemes. They will have P and T behind the naming. P means performance, T means throttled. I don't know, but maybe that's the reason why they are probably gonna call the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 as Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 instead. And the best part is that we already have a leaked Geekbench score. And this one, even though I take it with a pinch of salt or probably a lot of salt, but result is astonishing, like literally 1930 single core performance points and 6236 in multi-core performance. That is crazy good. Like, it is way better than even the Apple's A16 currently leading in the market in the performance chart. But that also means that it is way better than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which usually scores around 1490 points in the single core test and 5160 points in the multi-core test. That means multi-core score is about 20% better here and 29% in the single core performance. Now, this will also come with a 1+5+2 CPU configuration, and it will also have a high performance core upgrade in the form of Cortex X4 CPU core developed by ARM. And not just that, it will also be 20% more power efficient than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But that doesn't mean having a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powered Galaxy Z Fold 5 would be anything bad, because the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with the performance and the efficiency, it will be crazy good too, but it's not the best one. But other than that, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have some insane upgrades everywhere else. In terms of display size, it will still be almost similar to the current one, the 6.2-inch outer display, 7.2-inch inner display. Both of them will be high refresh rate displays, 120Hz, adaptive one. Whether the outside one would be adaptive one or not, that's up to Samsung, and we will get to know about that in the coming news. But as of now, we don't know that. One thing that will happen though is the whole form factor will be a little more wider. So that simply means it will be a much more usable phone when you fold it, and when you unfold it, it will be a much better tablet experience. That's not only it, it will also have a massive improvement in the hinge department. The hinge will be called a water drop hinge. That simply means there won't be any more crease at the very least when you unfold it. That's the best part of it. Anyway, that's not the only thing though. There is going to be one more bigger upgrade, and that is the camera. Now, mostly we don't know about the other cameras, but one camera that is coming to the Galaxy Foldable is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's 108 megapixel HM3 sensor. And that is going to be a big improvement. But at this point, we also don't know about the under-display camera, whether they're going to be upgrades or not. We don't know, because it's still 4 megapixel and it's disappointing, to be honest. But I will definitely keep an eye on this one. You can subscribe to this channel if you want. Now, one thing that might not change is the battery capacity, which is still going to be 4400 mAh battery. But one thing I can definitely say, if the Galaxy S23 Ultra can almost outperform the iPhone 14 Pro Max in battery test, even having the same battery capacity as the last year's Galaxy S22 Ultra, 5000 mAh, then this Galaxy Z Fold 5 will give you insanely good battery life, even having a 4400 mAh battery. And if there is going to be a battery upgrade, then yeah, we're going to have a massive improvement. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 5? Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Lightbeam. On any monitor, computer, tablet, or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.